German compound words work like Russian nesting dolls, except the biggest outermost shell is a word at the very end. That final word is the head, the core noun, and every word stacked in front of it is just a descriptive layer wrapped inside to refine its meaning. Once you master this, you can build entirely new words or tweak a meaning with a single letter. Here's how it works. In the German compound, the very last noun is the head, the real thing being described. Everything stacked in front of it is just extra description, like adjectives glued on. Dampf, Schiff, Fahrt. Steam, ship, journey. The head is journey. It's a journey, specifically one made by steamship, powered by steam. Here's where it gets fun. Swap the order of the pieces and you get a completely different word. Hundehütte, dog hut, is a doghouse. A hut that belongs to a dog. Flip it around to Hüttenhund, and now the head is dog. It's not a hut anymore, it's a cabin dog. A dog that lives at a cabin. Same two ingredients, totally different meal. And you're not limited to two pieces. You can keep stacking modifiers in front of the head, almost without limit. Each new piece just adds one more layer of description, like zooming in with more and more detail before you finally land on the actual noun at the very end. One more wrinkle. German sometimes slips a tiny connecting sound between the pieces, often just a single extra letter, like an S or an E, purely to make the word easier to pronounce. Linguists call these Fugenlaute, literally joint sounds. They don't change the meaning, they're just grammatical WD-40, making sure the gears don't grind. Because German doesn't mark word boundaries inside a compound, your eye can sometimes split the word in the wrong place, with funny results. Take Urinstinkt, meant to be read Urinstinkt, meaning primal instinct. But split it just one letter differently, and you get urine stinkt. Urine stinks. Same 11 letters, very different sentence. Let's build one ourselves, using everything we just learned. Start with Kraftfahrzeug, motor vehicle. Add Haftpflicht, legal liability. Add Versicherung, insurance. Snap them together, head last, connector letters where needed, and you get a real, official German word. Kraftfahrzeug Haftpflichtversicherung. Motor vehicle liability insurance. 36 letters. Completely ordinary. Every German driver has one. None of this is random. Every layer follows the same nesting doll logic. Modifiers in front, real subject at the very end. Connectors just for smoothness. Once you know the rule, a 60-letter monster isn't intimidating anymore. It's just a doll you haven't opened yet. So the next time a German word looks unreadable, don't panic. Find the last doll. That's your answer. Everything else is just wrapping paper.